Hello, welcome to CYI session course. And this is going to be our week two webinar content. And I'm going to present the assignments in this recording. As I mentioned that there are content ready for the always. In week two, there are three different assignments. The first one is going to be week two participation. Because of MLK day is going to be today is going to be national holiday. So instead of having a live webinar, I'm going to provide a recording for you so you can enjoy today. So in this week, you are gonna watch the recording, and after watching the recording, please submit your summary. And it's going to be a very short summary, so don't worry about that. And then the second assignment will be the benefits of using videos in education. So use your own understanding, your own knowledge and skills, and then after also you're going to conduct research regarding the using this in education. You need to provide your understanding regarding the advantage and disadvantages of the using videos in education. Please read the description. The benefit of using videos in education setting are various, and benefits are a lot of benefits for teachers. So videos increase studying. They offer the flexibility. They enable teachers to create flipped classroom. Many videos can now contain analytic features, and videos simply change the roles of teacher from lecture to facilitator. This is especially important because, as you know, that we are trying to make our students active learners in the classrooms. Instead of providing information to them, we are trying to create an environment in which they are trying to learn something new based on their previous knowledge. So videos are very important roles in So please select one benefit, and there are several benefits listed over here. Select one benefit from the list above and discuss how you can take advantage of select benefit in your classroom. And we also will provide some disadvantages. At the same time, your main post should be at least 200 words, and please provide two peer responses. So there are two parts for this discussion. In week two, you need to provide the main post. It should be at least 200 words long. So also you are going to provide two different peer responses based on the other students' main response. And the last assignment will be technology, our first technology project, which is creating the spreadsheet. In this presentation, we are going to explain key concepts in digital video and multimedia, and you are going to submit the links to the canvas after completing the presentation. So you need to make sure that you are going to give me access to view your presentation. So you need to change the restriction for the presentation. It is very important. Otherwise, I cannot create your assignments or presentation. Okay, this is going to be a very important part. Even though everything is perfect, if I cannot view your assignments, I cannot create. So there are several requirements for the presentation, as you can see here. You need to create at least 17 slides plus one title and one resources. Then the title should be in the beginning of the presentation, and the resources should be at the end of the presentation. Also, you may want to create additional slides for difficult concepts such as long shot, provide a picture or video clip, an example of concept so that concept is can be understood. And write your resources and download the presentation as a resources page. Okay. And please, before starting your presentation, click on the link over there and relate to the text education agency. And there are several technology application framework, and you may want to check these standards, especially for those students who are trying to get a Texas license. They need to understand these standards for their work. Okay, and specifically domain 3 should be, uh, as you can see, the all features acquire, analyze, and manage content from digital sources. So it's very important. Those. And in terms of the content itself, you need to create specific titles, subtitles for the presentation, including roles and jobs of the production, roles of the jobs, role and jobs of the production crew, for multiple project, basic concept of video filming. So these are the sub titles for the presentation, and each under each subtitles you have to provide specific information. For example, regarding the lighting techniques, it should be at least one slide, and you need to provide information regarding key, field, backlight. So you need to understand, you need to conduct research, and you need to find what they are meaning to you, to all, regarding these techniques as concepts in digital area. Okay, then you need to provide those information in your presentation. Basic video shot and video file formats, including MPG, AV, and or something like that. Okay, and you need to provide those information as well. So you need to create at least 17 slides covering all concepts listing on the description page. Okay, and if you click on the sample, you'll be able to see presentation submitted to class. So you can check this sample presentation. For example, regarding the lighting techniques, you need to provide the key light, field light, backlight. So you need to provide those information regarding each concept. Okay? So you need to understand what they are. And you need to provide those definitions, descriptions, and also you need to support some of them with some videos, some visuals as well. Okay. So at the end of the presentation, you need to provide the resources. Okay. And this is going to be your first assignment for the technology project. And we shall do something. Most like most done. And if you have a Gmail account, click on the launcher and then scroll down, click on the slides, then start a new slide. So this is going to be your page, okay, blank page. You need to change the title. So you need to create the 17 slides, as you can see here. You need to change the background. You need to provide the information. When you are done, you need to make sure to change everything. And as you can see, currently it is private to only me. Even though you provide the link, it doesn't work, okay? Even So you have presentation, you can see, but I cannot see. Just make sure that everything is correct done. And we click on the share, and as you can see here, it's restricted. So you need to make a change to anyone with the link, okay? And it should be anyone with the link, and you should click on the done, and then share the link with me, okay? Put the link and then submit to the accounts. And also, as you may remember that from week one, the educational literature review, which is the first part of the final project, so you need to decide what your final project is, and based on the project, you need to provide educational literature review. You need to find at least 2+1 total, three articles you should be using for the educational literature review. Okay, and also there is a sample over there. Also, there are some resources over there you can use for your literature review. And as you know, that is going to be submitted on next yeah, next Sunday. So please complete the assignment as well in week 2. Okay, this is all. This is all for the- So if you have any questions regarding the for week 1 assignments or content, please let me know.